Welcome to PoultryPro, a modern poultry processing solution built on ERPNext. We begin on the Executive Overview dashboard, where managers can monitor operational performance from a single screen. To start a new production cycle, we navigate to the Production Flow module and initialize the batch by entering the required production details for the batch. The next step is live bird intake. In this stage, operators record the details of the incoming flock, including the supplier, warehouse, vehicle plate number, and driver information. The system captures the number of cartons received and the number of birds per carton, automatically calculating the expected bird count. Additional details such as live bird weight, rounding adjustments, and mortality count can also be recorded. As the data is entered, the process metrics updates in real time, providing immediate visibility into received quantities, calculated bird counts, and other intake statistics. After the intake is completed, the process advances to slaughter grading. At this stage, operators classify the processed birds into Grade A and Grade B categories and record the corresponding quantities. As values are entered, the system automatically updates the total input heads and yield rate, providing an instant view of the grading results. Next, we move on to cutting and portioning stage of the production process. At this stage, processed birds are converted into finished products based on the production requirements. The user selects the required product variants and configures the output items to be generated. Once the products are selected, the destination warehouse is assigned for inventory storage and tracking. The same process is performed for each quality category, ensuring accurate segregation of production output. After reviewing the information, the user submits the cutting data. The system automatically generates the necessary inventory transactions and updates stock records accordingly. Next, we proceed to landed cost allocation stage. This feature enables additional operational expenses to be allocated across the finished inventory. The user selects the completed production batch and records the applicable cost details. The system then distributes these expenses across the produced items, ensuring accurate inventory valuation and product costing. Once verified, the capitalization process is completed and the updated costs are reflected within the system. With production completed, we move to the Production Intelligence module. This dashboard provides a centralized view of production performance, operational metrics, and cost analysis. Users can quickly access production information and gain insights into overall plant operations from a single screen. Selecting a production batch opens the detailed batch analysis screen. Here, users can review production output, quality distribution, inventory valuation, processing costs, and profitability metrics. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of batch performance, helping management evaluate operational efficiency and production outcomes. The whole chicken metrics presents a visual breakdown of production output across different product categories and weight segments. This enables users to analyze production distribution and gain deeper insights into yield performance. Users can also generate detailed production reports directly from the batch analysis screen. These reports can be downloaded, printed, or shared with stakeholders for operational review, auditing, and decision making purposes. This completes the production cycle within PoultryPro. From cutting and inventory management to costing, analytics, and reporting, the system provides complete visibility and control over poultry processing operations through a single integrated platform.